Yeah, good day. My name is Abdikabir Akinlabi. Now, this time around, let us prepare the dashboard. And the meaning of the dashboard is where the is going to be our home page. Should we call it a home page for the or the first thing we need to just do is let us prepare each person's portal. You understand? So the first thing is in this page, let us leave all these ones like this. But you know these are the tools. Let me create a folder. This is how you do a folder for the doctor. That means the portal for the doctor is going to be here. Let's prepare another for pharmacy is going to be there. Let's prepare another one for laboratory. Then patients. Now then I think we also have the admin. Yes, we are moving. Now you see all these pages that are here. We don't need the CSS, the fonts, the images, the JavaScript folder. I think maybe probably web front. You understand? It's going to be in each of those in each of these portals, because they will have to reference all these things. That's number one. For admin, for doctor also, they will need those documents. For what's it called, laboratory, they will need it. The patient portal will need it also. You understand? The pharmacy portal will need it. Although these are things, the steps we don't need now, but I just want you to get it. So what is happening here is that you see all these pages, we are not in need of them, but in case we want to have reference to them, the only thing we are having here is this index.php. So this index.php, immediately a login is successful, so we should take the person to admin page, where you have the maybe probably where the dashboard is going to be. Now let us look for a page we can use as the dashboard. Let us check this I think the index, I don't know the one I call this index this in the anyway. I can use the modernize here. Let me check their index page. You understand? So that I can remember index. So you can actually copy the code anyhow you want to do it. So we want to use this kind of environment, this type of environment as our index. I want it to load, maybe probably because of my internet. Let me remove the internet. Okay, we can use something like this for our index, our dashboard. Let us first of all deal with the admin portal. So let us have this as our dashboard for the admin portal. So how do we get this? So I don't know if I have deleted the one I uploaded here, AHMS, or I renamed it. I don't know, the index.html. Okay, I think I deleted it that was an error. So let me copy it back, index.html, so and put it inside my portal. So this is it. So I can decide that okay, I don't need it here, I will cut it from here, go and put it inside my admin. You understand? So what we are saying is that if the login is successful, you should go to this admin portal, admin. So the place we are preparing for the admin portal is this. Let me check. So immediately this thing is successful, so it should direct us to this folder, admin slash, maybe probably the name of the file we give it, maybe probably index.html, I don't know, anyhow you want to do it. So you can see it's directing me here. So because I have put the admin, it has index. So that means what are we going to do now is to turn this one, this admin. See, please forget everything that that is here, all this laboratory and the rest. Just learn how to direct from one place to the other. So I'm focusing on the admin portal now. So now if you go to my what's it called, my note text editor here, so I'm focusing on the admin. This is my index, you understand? So this time around I will just save it as index.php. Don't forget, I'm saving inside admin. Look at, don't forget all these things. You know, all these complications are part of software development. You have to know where you are. So that's the reason why you need to first of all focus on one portal before going into the another one. So index.php here is different from index.php behind this place. So index.php here, let me save it. Okay, I have index.php. So inside that we now have index.html. I can delete this index.html because I don't think I'll be needing it again. Even though if I need it, I will check this index.php. They are the same thing. Now my title, I will change the title. I can call it Al-Amin Hospital. You know, this time around you cannot decide to be using the same, maybe probably our head, you know, the way we used to do our head. I can cut it, just say PHP include head.php. You understand? Meanwhile, inside my admin, I need to what's it called, create that head.php. Are you getting it? Let me close all these things so that they won't be disturbing. So now this admin, are you getting it? So I need to create a new file, paste that head there, save it as head.php. In fact, if you want your code to be very okay, inside this admin you can create a folder, call it maybe extra or include or ink. You can call it ink. So that is where all your include files are going to lie. You understand? Now let me show you so that you won't get confused. Now look at this AHMS admin. We are concerned about admin now. If you look at this ink, you have head there. You understand where my head file is. But if you check the what's it called, this index does, you know, I've deleted this one, but let me just go to admin index.php. So the reason why you are seeing this thing is because I have removed the head.php. So, and there is nothing like that. So what I will do is that I'm going to include it. Where is my index admin? You can see this one is index of the admin, this one is index of HMS. So now is inside include folder. You can see this is inside this include folder, head.php. So now if I should refresh, it's going to be okay now. If you are the type that have that you were able to do your web design very well, all these things you won't have issues with all this referencing and the rest. So what I just want to do is that let us structure our index page, our dashboard very well. So we are going to remove all these things, so that we can have a very good structure. So now after that, what is happening on our admin? You know, we are still in admin. This one, let us be this thing. Whenever someone click this, the name of this thing should be directing them to index.php. Now modernize. I want to change the name of this one to maybe Al-Amin. You can use any name you want. Al-Amin Hospital management. You can just leave it as Al-Amin Hospital Management. Look at it here, Al-Amin Hospital Management. I think we are okay. We can decide to now plan. In the next video we can plan the menu structure of this one, because the reason why I would like to do it this way is that as beginning you don't need to get confused, so that I want to see the level of your compliance, or the level of your practice, your ability to structure same thing I've been able to do here. So let us see your abilities. Then we will now have all the functionalities of admin here. We can decide to remove all these things in the next video, but let us just believe that this is how our software is going to work. You understand? From here, the main page, AHMS, the only thing we need here is anyone that goes to www.ahms.com or anything you are giving it is going to be directed here. So when you log in, your username, if it is correct and your password is correct, is going to take you. We are working admin for now. If your username is correct and your password is correct, let me tell you the float. If your username is correct, your password is correct, and you log in, it's taking you to, as an admin, it's taking you to admin portal. That's how we are going to direct it. It's taking you to admin portal. If you are logging in as a doctor, we've not prepared that one. It's taking you also to the index.php of doctor, even though there is nothing like that. You understand? If you are a pharmacy, and you log in from that page, from that major page, it should take you here. There's nothing like that. So the only one we've been able to prepare is admin portal. You understand? So our next video will now be, let us structure the functionalities of admin and prepare this dashboard for admin. Then we'll prepare that one for admin. Then we'll now write a code. Now let me come back. We'll now have write the code that will direct from this login page to admin portal. After doing that, then I told you that we are going to prepare these functionalities of what admin is going to do based on what we've planned. You understand? Admin is going to create user. It will be the one that will create username for doctors. It will be the one that will create username for pharmacists. It will be the one that will create username for patients. When a patient enters into an hospital, it's the person at the front office that will enter the patient information. He's going to be the one that will search for the patient information. So you understand? So you have to just know, you have to be creative. You have to follow this thing. You have to bring down your knowledge of HTML down to this software development, so that don't be a kind of person that wants to take everything. Maybe probably the way I'm doing, you want to also do it. Just first of all understand it and do it your own way, and make sure that we are flowing together. So I think that is the best thing. If I should try and structure this menu here to actually deal with admin, or let us say we want to just deal with admin portal. You understand? So another thing I'm thinking now is, let us have it here that this portal is for admin. So what are we going to do is that let us add something here. We can call it admin, or we can code it. Where are we going? In this page, we are going to admin index.php. So how are we going to do that? You can either go there from here, admin. This is admin portal index.php. You can see Al-Amin Hospital. So or let us summarize it as Al-Amin Hospital Management System admin portal. You understand? So that we can have it this way. So let me refresh. You can see AHMS admin portal, and in fact you can even put your knowledge of HTML inside and decide to maybe probably span. Put a span here, and you can put something here. In fact, you may not even put a span. You can just decide to put maybe probably here a paragraph tag. You understand? So that this one will look smaller. You can use anything you want to use. Your knowledge of HTML will come to play. This is admin portal. So we can even remove the brackets to make it I think it will be better. You can decide to use anything, maybe H3. Put everything into practice, So let me use maybe h5 here. That means my h5 will be here. So let us try and make sure that we this, I think this is okay. AHMS admin top portal, so that we can be able to differentiate. Look at this URL. The folder is admin, the index is index.php. So now try and get the name of the template is modernized. We are going to change the CSS later on, but let us work with the floats so that we can get it very well. So thank you very much, and make sure you do what is important for you to do. Then our next video is for us to prepare the functionalities of admin. After preparing the functionalities of admin in the menu, we'll prepare all these pages for the dashboard. Then we will now create a login that is going to connect from here to where? To here. You understand? So that is going to be our next action. Thank you very much.